My name is Taha. I work for the Amal's Ethnic Fusion. Like you can call me a chef or sous chef. I think she called me a chef, but I don't want to say I'm a chef.
You try.
Everybody from different country. I'm from Iraq. Hamid from Afghanistan. Hawa, she's from Somalia. It's a variety of different nationality, plus the food.
There's a chicken shawarma here, but I want to make a vegetable shawarma.
Can you explain what's inside falafel?
Well, it's a lot of recipe. I mean, it's a huge recipe. I don't want to give the secret. It's but all I can say, it's have a garlic, onion, and some vegetables, and made of garbanzo beans. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can't say the rest of it.